A Russian soldier spots a Ukrainian dugout. No hesitation, he hurls a TM-62 anti-tank mine inside. Seconds later, a thunderous blast. Earth shakes. The dugout collapses. One throw, one mine, one position erased. Five Ukrainian all-terrain vehicles, ATVs, were moving rapidly across open terrain. A Russian FPV drone was launched toward the convoy with precision intent. Each vehicle carried several personnel, including the driver, as they maneuvered through the area. Silent thread, fiber-linked fury. From the Russian side of the front, the battlefield is a chessboard and fiber-optic drones are the queen's blade. In a recent operation, Russian drone operators deployed fiber-linked FPV systems to engage Ukrainian vehicles deep behind the lines. These drones, resilient to jamming and guided by ultra-low latency fiber-optic cables, moved like shadows, silent, precise, and unstoppable. The targets: Ukrainian military vehicles navigating narrow roads and forested tracks. Believing themselves safe from aerial threats, they moved without electronic cover. But the drones were already watching. One by one, the drones closed in. No radio signals, no warning. A sudden dive and a decisive impact. Vehicles were severely damaged while in transit, engines rendered inoperable, and operations forced to halt. The fiber-optic link gave Russian operators total control, even in the most hostile EW environments. No GPS, no signal loss, just precise, wired capability. From the Russian perspective, it was a calculated strike, a new form of engagement where the cable guides the effect. No signal, no respite. Escape proved unlikely. In the contested Kherson region, the battlefield shifted with a single strike. A Ukrainian 2S-22 Bogdan, one of the nation's most advanced wheeled self-propelled artillery systems, was concealed, camouflaged, and ready. But the sky was watching. Russia's Zala reconnaissance UAV, operating under the 49th Combined Arms Army and the Dnipro military group, scanned the terrain with surgical precision, found the Bogdan, marked it, and relayed its coordinates in real time. Moments later, guided artillery rained down. The explosion was sharp, final, and unforgiving. The Bogdan was destroyed, its NATO standard firepower reduced to twisted steel and scorched earth. This wasn't just a tactical loss. It was symbolic, a reminder that, in modern war, concealment is temporary and drones don't blink. Russian snipers and airborne units are dominating battles across the Khyr, Vosto, and Kupiansk fronts. Battle of Khyr. In the ongoing battle near the village of Khyr, a sniper from the 98th Airborne Division, known by the call sign Kozer, continues to eliminate Ukrainian positions with precision and composure. Operating under intense combat conditions, Kozer has repeatedly targeted enemy strongpoints, disrupting Ukrainian movements and neutralizing entrenched troops. His accurate long-range fire has played a crucial role in maintaining Russian control over key tactical zones in the region. Snipers of the Vosto group. Meanwhile, in another sector of the front, drone footage captured the intense combat work of snipers from the Vosto military group. These marksmen have been relentlessly hunting down Ukrainian infantry and neutralizing reconnaissance units attempting to advance. Using advanced thermal optics and well-camouflaged positions, Vosto snipers are also targeting heavy Ukrainian drones on the ground, destroying them before they can be deployed. The coordinated actions between sniper teams and reconnaissance drones have proven highly effective, combining stealth, precision, and real-time intelligence to strike vital enemy assets. Several Ukrainian soldiers have been eliminated during these operations, and drone losses continue to mount. The efficiency of these sniper teams highlights Russia's growing dominance in counter-sniper and anti-drone warfare, key elements in maintaining tactical superiority on the modern battlefield. Battle of Kupiansk. Further north, in the Kupiansk direction, soldiers of the Zapad group successfully captured 3 fighters from the elite Karadag unit, part of the 15th Brigade of the Ukrainian National Guard. The capture took place during a surprise raid on Ukrainian positions, where the Russian assault group surrounded the enemy and forced their surrender. These coordinated victories across multiple fronts demonstrate the growing momentum of Russian forces, combining sniper precision, drone reconnaissance, and ground operations to weaken Ukraine's defensive network. The footage opens in tense silence. A soldier from the 60th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade scans the horizon, eyes locked on a structure ahead. Inside, movement, enemy soldiers. The decision is instant. He pulls the pin. A grenade arcs through the air and disappears into the building. Seconds later, detonation. The explosion rocks the interior, flames licking through shattered windows. The Russian soldier inside is forced to retreat, coughing through smoke, disoriented but armed. Then chaos. He raises his machine gun and fires. 2 Ukrainian soldiers inside the building fall. The Russian soldier doesn't linger. He flees, vanishing into cover. The building now a tomb of fire and silence. Outside, 3 Ukrainian soldiers realize the worst. Their positions have been compromised. They move quickly, trying to escape through the garden, hoping to relocate before the enemy regroups. But the Russian soldier is waiting. From his hidden position, he opens fire. The 3 soldiers drop instantly, ambushed in the open, caught in the aftermath of a battle that began with a single grenade. The footage ends abruptly. The rest, too graphic for public platforms, remains unseen. In the Sumy region, Ukrainian self-propelled howitzer 2S-1 Gvozdika, concealed and ready, became the target of a surgical strike. Russian drone operators, using fiber optic control for maximum precision and stealth, launched an FPV munition with deadly intent. The drone moved low, silent, immune to jamming. It weaved through terrain, locked onto the 2S-1, and struck with pinpoint accuracy. The explosion was decisive. The howitzer was disabled, its firepower erased in seconds. Smoke rose. The battlefield shifted. This wasn't just a kill, it was a demonstration of next-gen warfare. Fiber optics gave the drone eyes that couldn't be blinded, hands that couldn't be cut. From trenches to artillery posts, from drone control stations to armored columns, Russian soldiers move with purpose across the SMO battlefield in Ukraine. The montage captures it all. Camouflaged units advancing through forests, engineers laying mines and fortifying positions, artillery crews loading shells into howitzers, FPV drone operators launching silent strikes, infantry regrouping under fire, pushing forward. Each frame tells a story of grit, coordination, and resolve. Dust rises, engines roar, orders echo. The mission continues. One war, one montage, one machine in motion,